Hello Dean. There is a ton of quality budget Android smartwatch. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget Android smartwatch. I have made a list based on performance features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
The fifth product on our list is the Veritech Nimble 2. This is our best budget Android smartwatch. If you're looking for one of the cheapest smartwatches available that even has some great features found on premium watches like Bluetooth calling right from your watch, then the Veritech Nimble 2 is a fantastic budget option for you. Currently priced under $50, the Nimble 2 smartwatch sets itself apart from the slew of cheap smartwatches on the market with an integrated mic and speaker like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 that lets you make and answer calls right on your smartwatch. You can sync your phone's contacts so they appear on the smartwatch and just select who you want to call. Plus, you'll also get all your phone notifications so you won't miss anything important. There are even preset replies, although depending on the app, it can be a little limiting. The Nimble 2's health and fitness features are also quite comprehensive for a budget smartwatch. You'll be able to monitor your heart rate, ECG, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels, as well as track for 8 different fitness activities. There's also an automatic sleep monitor that tracks and analyzes not just your sleep time, but quality of sleep. With the companion app, you'll get valuable metrics and insights to help you achieve better overall health and reach your fitness goals. The key features are display, 1.28-inch IPS color touchscreen with tilt to wake, Bluetooth calling, make and take calls right on your smartwatch without taking out your phone. Waterproof, rated IP68, making it waterproof up to 1.5 meters, sweatproof, and dust resistant. Battery, up to 3+ days of working time. Fitness features, comprehensive fitness and health tracking and monitoring. Plus you can track your steps plus 8 different activities. Music and camera control. Control your phone's music and your camera right from your smartwatch. If you're looking for one of the best cheap smartwatches around, the Veritech Nimble 2 comes with comprehensive health monitoring features with features like Bluetooth calling, which is very rare to find on a smartwatch priced under $50, making the Nimble 2 great for anyone looking for a cheap and affordable smartwatch. The fourth product on our list is the Garmin Vivoactive 3. This is our best value Android smartwatch. If you're looking for an affordable smartwatch option that's very value-driven, then the Vivoactive 3 from Garmin offers some essential features and functions found on their more expensive models at a great entry-level price. Currently priced at $130, the Vivoactive 3 provides a range of great fitness features as well as everyday conveniences and smartwatch features at an attractive price point. It's not as comprehensive as some of the other Garmin smartwatches, but since we're not all training for the next Ironman marathon, you'll find the Vivoactive 3's feature set more suited for most people with everyday conveniences and health and fitness. It comes with onboard GPS so you can easily track your best jogging or biking routes. Plus, there are over 15 preloaded sports apps for yoga, running, swimming, and more. It's not a bad-looking smartwatch with the stainless steel casing, but it does feel a bit plasticky and on the cheaper side. It also comes with Garmin Pay for contactless payment, but keep in mind Garmin Pay is not as widely accepted as Apple or Google Pay. The key features are display, 1.2-inch 240 by 240 Corning Gorilla Glass watch face. Battery, runs up to 7 days in smartwatch mode and 13 hours in GPS mode. Apps, comes with over 15 preloaded fitness applications. Waterproof, safe for swimming and showering. Convenience, receive and respond to texts right from your wrist with its built-in messaging app. If you're looking for an affordable smartwatch for general fitness and daily use, the Garmin Vivoactive 3 comes with convenient smartwatch features and a wide range of sports and lifestyle apps, making it a great option for you. It may not be the latest and greatest from Garmin, but for the buck, it delivers a big bang. The third product on our list is the Fossil Gen 5. This is our best Wear OS smartwatch. If you're looking for one of the best-looking smartwatches that doesn't look like the common blocky fitness trackers for everyday wear, then the Fossil Gen 5 is an extremely stylish option for you. Currently priced at $255, the Gen 5 provides a great variety of applications for your daily life with plenty of fitness functions to track all your workouts, all while looking slick and stylish with a wide range of customizable watch faces and styles. While most smartwatches focus on adding great health and fitness features, the Gen 5 focuses on some excellent features for everyday wear. Like the earlier Nimble 2, you can take and make calls right from the smartwatch without even taking your phone out. Plus, you can send and reply to text messages and not be limited to preset replies. It runs on Wear OS, which is Google's wearable OS, so you not only get Google Assistant right on your wrist with the integrated speaker and mic, but you can access Google Assistant hands-free and even have it speak back answers. You'll also be able to control your Google Smart Home hands-free as well. The Wear OS does have some hiccups at times, but gives you Google integration like no other smartwatch, including apps from the Google Play Store. Plus, you've got Google Pay, which is more widely accepted than Garmin Pay. The key features are display, 1.28-inch AMOLED 416 by 416 Gorilla Glass watch face. Battery, runs about 24 hours based on usage. Untethered GPS, use GPS navigation even when your phone's not with you. integrated speaker and mic, make and take calls, audible alerts from Google Assistant responses, and more. Google Pay, easy instant payments made through Google's secure app. Health and fitness monitoring, better than average fitness and health tracking and monitoring, and seamless integration with Google Fit. If you're looking for a smartwatch that integrates seamlessly with the Google ecosystem, including your Google Smart Home, then the Fossil Gen 5 smartwatch is a great choice, with a built-in speaker and mic for Bluetooth calling, and it just looks fantastic, making it one of the best options for everyday use. The second product on our list is the Fitbit Sense. This is our best Android smartwatch for fitness. If you're looking for the best Fitbit smartwatch to track your health and fitness, then the Fitbit Sense is the most advanced health tracker from Fitbit and a great option for you. Currently priced at $280, you won't find a more advanced health smartwatch than the Sense. It's feature-packed, including an FDA-cleared ECG app in the USA that not only shows you your heart rate, but you can get notifications if your heart rate is very high or very low, which offers great peace of mind. There's a new pressure-sensitive divot with haptic feedback, which may take time to get used to, but it keeps the design streamlined without a physical button on the side. The Squircle AMOLED display looks good, but it's not as snappy as the Samsung or Apple watches. It also has an integrated speaker and microphone, so you can take calls and use voice commands, and it offers support for both Alexa and Google Assistant. Plus, you'll be able to store and play music right from your watch for offline listening. If you're interested in a premium smartwatch that offers a bit more on the smart features, then stick around for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 coming up next with some pretty innovative smart features. The key features are display, 1.58-inch AMOLED 336 by 336 screen. Battery, runs about 6 days, but only up to 12 hours with continuous GPS. Built-in GPS, see pace and distance without your phone for runs, hikes, rides, and more. Integrated speaker and mic, make and take calls, audible alerts from Google Assistant responses, and listen to offline music. EDA scan app, track and manage stress levels over time. Excellent health and fitness monitoring, one of the most advanced health smartwatches for monitoring your health and well-being, including FDA-cleared ECG app. If you're looking for a smartwatch that offers more than the basics for health monitoring with great smart features, the Fitbit Sense offers one of the most robust set of comprehensive health and fitness tools and features, making it one of your best choices. The first product on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. This is our best overall Android smartwatch. If you're looking for one of the best Android smartwatches around, then the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 has to be on the top of your list. Currently priced at $400, the Galaxy Watch 3 may be the most complete package in a smartwatch for Android users, much like the iWatch 6 is to iOS users. It packs powerful tech and is feature-rich, all in a stylish design with premium leather bands for daily wear. The AMOLED display is extremely bright and easy to read, even in broad daylight, including the always-on feature. The response times are fast. Launching and switching apps was fast and fluid, especially with the rotating bezel. It even features motion gestures to silence alarms, take photos, and answer calls simply by clenching and unclenching your fist. Samsung really goes all out with fitness and health features, including FDA-approved ECG monitor, keeping pace with the latest Apple Watch, automatic sleep and stress monitoring, as well as oxygen levels. Besides being able to track 40 different activities, it can also track several of them automatically, so you don't have to remember to select it beforehand. Samsung's Tizen OS offered impressive performance, customizations, and numerous useful apps. However, the integration of Google services isn't as seamless as Wear OS. The key features are display, 1.4-inch Super AMOLED 360 by 360 screen with Corning Gorilla Glass DX. Battery, runs about 2 days. Built-in GPS, track your runs, hikes, rides, and more without your phone. Integrated Bixby. Bixby voice functionality can read your texts, make calls, and even initiate coaching on demand. Advanced health monitoring. Get comprehensive monitoring, including an FDA-approved ECG monitor and in-depth fitness insights with 40 different activities and 7 with automatic tracking. Convenience. Call, text, stream music, and get notifications all without taking your phone out. If you're looking for one of the best Android smartwatches available, then the Samsung Watch 3 is feature-loaded with comprehensive health and fitness monitoring, as well as smart features not found on other smartwatches, making it a great choice for those looking for the best of the best.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.